kitchen. Y'all, we in here today. We're not fixing no cake. The mixer is covered up. How about that? Look, y'all, I'm getting ready to do something really quick. You know, it's not like a recipe or anything, really. But, y'all, I'm trying to help my dude. Number one, do a little better with his eating, at least most days, okay? We can forget him not eating the cake. Listen. I'm fighting a losing battle. But what I'm going to do today, and I just want to share it really quickly. We're going to do some loaded baked potatoes, but I'm going to load them with some broccoli. I'm going to do some broccoli, some of broccoli florets, and I have a little piece of an onion here that I'm getting ready to cut up, and we're getting ready to saute this broccoli and the onions. And then we're going to put some cheese on it. I have some cheese here, some sharp. I'm going to grate a little bit of that. And you guys, wait a minute before I get to that. These are the potatoes I'm using. I like the jumbo baking potatoes. And they are jumbo. See? They're real big, okay? And I actually take these and scrub them up under the water and get them all cleaned up, get all that dirt and grit off there, because we eat the whole potato. We eat it all. Skinned, we don't leave anything. So they have to be really clean. So I preheated my oven to 400 degrees. I'm going to go and get these in here while I'm running my mouth. I'm not pricking the potatoes. I don't have anything on the potatoes. Remember, I'm trying to kind of keep them, you know, healthy as possible. And I would imagine these may bake maybe about an hour, and I could probably fix them another way in the microwave, but I'm not in any hurry, so we're just going to put them in the oven. So for right now, I'm just going to set the timer for an hour. Okay, but what I was getting ready to say is, so we're going to do some broccoli, little broccoli, onion, and cheese with a little bit of grilled chicken on the top. You guys, this is a very, very easy, quick way to add you some chicken. I love these grilled and ready chicken breast strips by Tyson, okay? Of course, they are frozen, boneless, skinless with rib meat. They're seasoned. They have a little smoked flavor added. Y'all, they are really good. No antibiotics ever. No preservatives, no added hormones or steroids. At least steroids. Did I say steroids? Steroids. At least that's what the packaging say. But you guys, these are really good. I mean, sometimes if I'm hungry, I'll just grab a strip, pop it in the microwave for about a minute or so, and just eat it. Okay? So these are delicious. And then I'm going to add some, I can't believe it's not butter, probably. When I was friends with Weight Watchers, I used to use, I can't believe it's not butter. I'm not friends with Weight Watchers anymore. They're not my friend. So I may do this. And then when I was friends with keto, we're not friends anymore either. But when we were friends, they used real butter. So I'm not sure exactly which one I'm going to use, but either or will work. Okay? So I'm just going to start by just cutting up some of this onion, you guys. And of course, I've washed my hands. Don't be in the kitchen with nasty hands, y'all. That's just nasty. I don't see how some of y'all can do that. You be gone all day long, just out and about and going to the bathroom and stuff, and don't wash your hands. Listen, that's a spirit. If you go to the bathroom and you don't wash your hands, that's a spirit. And it's called a nasty spirit. That's what it is. That's terrible. Anywho, so my hands are clean. And I don't need but a little bit of this broccoli, because I'm just going to have a little bit of the broccoli on the potato, but it's not a whole lot in here, so we're just going to go on and put all of this in my little small frying pan or saucepan. Okay. All the little crumbs. Okay, we're going to add just a little smidget. Just a little smidget of water with that. We don't need much. Just to season it a little bit. I'm just going to add some of my roasted chicken base and roasted garlic base. You guys, I love this better than bouillon. It is so good. So good. So good. He has been so good. Y'all worshipers know about that. So good. So good. He has been so good to me. Okay. So, just a little bit, maybe about a teaspoon or a little more. And now I'm just going to put this on the burner. So I'm going to turn my burner on. That's too small. I'm going to cover it up. I have it on about high right now. Once I start hearing it, then I'll turn it down because I don't want it to get soft. So next, let me grate some of this cheese. And you guys, with the cheese, it doesn't take long at all just to grate a little bit. And I like this so much better than the cheese is already grated in the bag. They put some type of, something they put on that cheese to preserve it because it's already grated. So whatever they use to preserve it with, it's not as creamy. So just that quick, we have some grated cheese for the top. And of course, I will not use all of this. And I'll just put it in the refrigerator. And it'll be ready for me to put on my eggs on Saturday morning. And now I hear my broccoli. See, can you guys see that? No, you can't. Okay, so now that I hear it, I'm going to turn it down and just keep it on for maybe another couple of minutes. Whatever tenderness you like your broccoli, that's how you cook it, okay? I don't want it mushy, so I'll just leave it on for another couple of minutes and then just turn it off. So now we just wait for the baked potatoes to come out. And we're going to put together our loaded baked potatoes. And we're going to have a salad with it. Oh, but before I do that, first of all, I'm turning my broccoli off. Check it. Turn it off, and if I need to cook it a few minutes longer, I will. I know some people like crunchy broccoli. I don't like it crunchy, but I like it soft and not mushy. So, but it's still cooking, but I turned my burner off, and I'm going to leave it covered. But this here chicken, take some of this out and just put it on this plate so you guys can see what it looks like. But like I say, yeah, it's frozen, but Just little pieces of grilled chicken, but it's really good, you guys. It is. I think it's seasoned quite well. So that's enough of that. Don't need a whole lot of that either. Sit this over here with, as a matter of fact, I don't even need it on this plate. I'm going to sit it over there with the cheese. And then we'll just cover it up. Okay? Ooh, glass is foggy. You guys, it took the potatoes an hour to bake. And I pricked them with my little cake tester to make sure that they were done. And I have drained my broccoli and onion. And I'm going to cut mine up a little bit, you guys. I don't like big old huge hunks of broccoli. You know, I don't like to eat them bush style when they look like a bush. But I like them chopped a little bit, okay? So, yeah, it feels so funny in here doing this video and not doing a cake video. I'm gonna try, because we're simple eaters, you guys. Y'all know my thing is breakfast. But I'm gonna try to maybe incorporate a few little more simple dishes, okay? I just got hooked on doing pound cakes, y'all, and look, listen. Okay, so I'm gonna put this potato together, and then a salad. Let me turn my oven on broil, because I'm gonna pop it back in the oven once I top it off with the cheese, so it will get good and melted, okay? And you guys, I popped that chicken in the microwave for about a minute and 20 seconds. Wait a minute, let me grab this. Ooh, so I'm going to show you how these baked potatoes. So when I got the baked potatoes together, I had to get my other oven mitt because this is heavy. When I got the baked potatoes together, I just put about a tablespoon of butter. Look at that, y'all. And I did about a tablespoon of sour cream. Then I added the broccoli and onions, topped it with the chicken, and then topped it with the cheese. Y'all, simple. Simple, simple, simple. Then I've got the salad together, or our salad together. I'm fixing his plate first so I can show you guys what we're looking like. Now, I took the smallest. I did 3 potatoes in all. I took the smallest of the 3 potatoes. Potatoes. Let's say potatoes. The potatoes. The potatoes. And I'm probably not going to eat all of it. Well, let me show you his plate. Look at that. Just a nice, healthy, delicious dinner. And you can see the chicken up under there and the broccoli. I did not go overboard with the cheese. And then he'll add a little bit of salad dressing. He's gonna be ready to eat.
Good Lord! Almighty!
I'm helping you help you.
God, that is a loaded potato. Gosh!
No cake. No cake. Tell him. Say no cake.
That's a big potato.
They already saying it. Say no cake. Back up a little bit, baby. It's cutting your head off.
I'm tall. I'm real tall. You need to grow your camera. Wow. That is a serious loaded potato.
So you put your dressing on your salad and you're good to go. Why you kiss the potato?
love my
Look,
food.
y'all. Okay, I'm gonna let him eat.
I love my
Or we're
potato.
gonna eat. So thank you guys, y'all. This was different. This really felt funny doing this and not a cake.
I'm eating better, people. I'm getting better.
Why you have to holler?
Donna, my voice is just loud.
Loud.
Just my inside
Act like
voice.
they hard of hearing or something.
Maybe some people can't hear. Well, turn your TV up so I don't have to talk loud.
Don't nobody have you on the TV from a mirror.
Okay, well, turn your phone way up. Turn your phone way up.
All right, you guys. Well, thank you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I guess you can let me know in the comments if you did or if you didn't.
Yes.
Give it a thumbs up. You guys subscribe if you've not already subscribed. Turn on that notification bell. Shake something. Shake something. Shake something.
This is my dressing of choice. I might do vinegar and
I can do the mayonnaise with the vinegar and I look like Mom used to do.
yeah, because I'm eating healthy now, and I don't want to drown it in McDonald's sauce.
Okay, remember that when that cake come out, I'm eating healthy now.
Okay. What are you doing the cake?
Anywho, thank you guys so much for watching. We already look forward to you joining us again next time. Bye.
Hit the nosy.